Before you begin, remove the base cover and audio module. Removal. Disconnect the fan cable from the connector on the system board. Note, the heatsink has numbers adjacent to the following 4 screws. Loosen the 4 captive T15 Torx head screws that secure the heatsink over the processor in numerical order. Note, due to the adhesive quality of the thermal grease and thermal pads located between the heatsink and processor components, it may be necessary to move the heatsink from side to side to detach it from the system board. Lift the heatsink off of the processor and remove. Replacement. Using an alcohol swab, carefully remove the thermal grease from the heatsink and processor. Apply new thermal grease to the processor. Inspect the thermal pads. If one is torn or otherwise damaged, it needs to be replaced. Align the captive screws on the heatsink with the screw holes on the system board and place the heatsink into position. Tighten the 4 captive T15 Torx head screws that secure the heatsink over the processor in numerical order. Connect the fan cable into the connector on the system board.